triggered, it means the concept called universal journal. Okay, do it. Okay, up to this step there is as usual. So okay, first it throw document splitting error, then it will throw universal journal error. Now we'll go for document splitting. You can see here classify GL account for document splitting. You have to execute on it. Enter your chart of account. Continue. And now top you can see new entries. Now click on it. Okay, now chart of account. My chart of account it was on to SA. Related to asset, fixed and current asset. It was 1 lakh to 1 lakh 200. And current liability it was 2 lakh to 2 lakh 200. Okay. And when it comes to expenses, it was 3 lakhs to 3 lakh 200. And for okay, sorry guys, yeah, for expense it was operating expense. We had two kinds of expenses. One is operating expense, and the other one is non-operating expense. For operating expense, it was 4 lakh 101, and for non-operating expense, it was 3 lakh 101 to 3 lakh 200. For operating income, it was 4 lakh, and here it was 3 lakh. So we'll do the document splitting now. First, we'll take assets, current assets. It was 1 lakh 1 lakh fixed asset is was 1 lakh to for current asset it sent it to 1 lakh 200. Okay, I'll give it. And for current liabilities it was 2 lakh starts with long term liability starts with 2 lakh 2 ends with 2 lakh 200. So these are the both fixed assets, current assets, short term liabilities and long term liabilities related to balance sheet account. So I am taking all those at a one place. And the next thing is expenses and incomes. First I will take operating expense. I'm choosing expense account. Then first I had taken operating expense. Now I'll take non-operating expense. I'll copy it. And same it was expense, so I'm taking 2000. Same for operating and non-operating. Okay, we are done with assets. Sorry, balance sheet account. Expenses. Now I'll take secondary. Sorry, incomes. Okay. At the end I will take a secondary cost. Okay, no problem. I can take now also. So revenue, it was 30,000. I taken operating income. Now I has to take non-operating income. Same for this also 30,000 revenue. Now click enter. Okay. All the things had been came automatically. Now I'll save it. Okay. I'll come back. Now again I will click enter. One minute guys. We'll start from the beginning. Okay. I told you guys. I have to show one more thing. We have done the document splitting, but in the last session I just showed only one thing. Okay, that is how to assign the universal journal. Guys, you have to follow for this path. First, you have to go to SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting global setting, ledger, again ledger. In it, you can see defined setting for ledgers and currency types. Okay, in it, just please wait a second. Okay, click continue. First, for everything, you have to take 0L as your leading ledger, and after selecting it, you have to go to company code setting for the ledger. Then again click continue and go to position. Under leading ledger, go to position and enter your company code. Okay, I want to SA, it was mine. There, okay, if you can see now down on scroller now, just scroll it to right. There you can see fiscal year variant and posting period year variant. In most of the cases, it will take automatically. Sometimes it will trigger error. Okay, at the moment you have to take from here. Okay, guys. Okay, is it clear, guys? Then save it.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, one question. In the ECC
Yes.
6 button, can you do like that setting for universal journal? That
No,
is
no,
not setting,
we
but
can't do
document.
in.
Okay, but document splitting we can do, na?
Is
In
there? Yes, sir.
okay.
Okay, oh, super, sir. That is the difference here between ECC and S4HANA. In S4HANA, it was updated version. You can find in S4HANA only universal journal, but not in the earlier versions. Super. And after selecting this, you have to go to accounting principles for ledgers and a company code. Then you have to pick up what the accounting principles you are gonna follow as per your country's requirement. Okay. Here he had taken 0001. It was his local gap. Okay, guys. Now we'll do some types of transactions like holding, parking. Okay, we'll do all those kinds. Okay, we'll create some GLs account before it. For outstanding, it come under current liability, so I'll take 2,101,000. I'll create one outstanding wages account. And in order to create, you can see here paperful like symbol now. You has to click on it. You can find here create option also. Here, this current liability come under balance sheet, so I'm taking it. And account group, it was current liabilities and provisions. So I'm giving here outstanding wages account.
In short text, it is missing O slash.
Okay. Okay, sir. And go to control data. Here, this is outstanding thing. Okay, that is the reason I'm activating open item management and sort key 0001 and create bank or interest Z001, and now I will save it. Okay, I'll post some transactions now. Okay, for it we can use two T codes. One is FB50, another thing was F-02. Okay, now first we'll use FB50 slash and FB50. Okay, here first of all you have to check whether it was your company code or not. Okay, now I'm going clicking on company code. I'm erasing it, and my company code is 12SA. Okay, you can see my company code, it was Adia Bangalore. Okay, I'm selecting document date. Guys, I didn't explain about the document date, what is document date, posting date, and some things. No, guys, here document date is the date on which date you had recorded recorded the transaction, or the day on which day the transaction has been taken place. But posting date is the date on which you had posted in the SAP. Okay, your reference invoices being wages paid.
So document date can be the back date, but posting date should be the current date, na? Like
Yes,
today
yes,
is only.
yes, sir. Correct. And one more thing here, what the narration you take in the document header text, it is same as journal. Okay, that same text it will be the as a journal entry. I'm selecting GL account. Okay, for payment of wages, that is wages account to bank. So I'm selecting now wages account. But debit amount column 1,000. enter wages account data to bank. So I'm now selecting copying SBI bank account. So it was credit same 1000 rupees. Okay, it was throwing that it has to select a value date. Okay, now I'll go to more document, stimulate. Okay, if the balances are zero, then only you can post the transaction. If the balances will be the zero, debit and credit will be the zero, then then you can see green rectangular box. Okay, now I'll go to more document, stimulate. You can see here wages account data to bank account. Now I will post this. You can see here document. Okay, 10 lakh one was posted in company code. Now I'll use F-02. I'll select document date, account. Okay, now we'll transfer some amount to reserves and surplus account. Okay, further entry will be bank account data to reserves and surplus account. We'll check it. 1 lakh, value date, reserves, posting key 50. For debit it was 40 and for credit it was 50. So earlier I selected bank account, now I'm selecting reserves and surplus account. The entry is cash account data or bank account data to reserves and surplus account. Click enter or plus document, stimulate, and now post it. You can see here document was posted in company code. Please give me a second, guys. Okay, guys. Now we'll park. Okay, now we'll park document and we'll hold. First of all, we'll hold some documents. Okay, in order to hold a document, we use the same T code F-02 as well as FB50. Now I'll hold one document. Okay, I'll select document date and posting key 40, wages account, click enter. ₹1,000. Wages paid. $50 means credit entry. I'll select bank account. Click enter. Amount. In the amount field, please enter star. If you enter amount also, there will be no problem. If you enter star, it will take automatically. And then please select value date. And in the text field, please select plus and just click enter. You can see here we didn't mention amount column, but it was taken automatically when we entered star. Same for the text field also. In the text field we are entering plus. Now go to document. You can find here post or save or park or hold. Now I'm holding a document. Okay guys, for holding a document you have to give temporary document number. I'm mentioning 1 to SA01. Okay, there is one difference between park and hold document, that for a hold document, in order to post, you have to take the consent of your seniors. But when it comes to uh, okay, 1 minute. For hold document, you can see a temporary account number when you post a document. But for park document, you can't see it. It will take automatically the number range what you assigned in OBD4. Okay. Now, and one more thing, in order to post a park document, you don't require anybody's consent. But if you want to post a held document, you have to take the consent of your seniors. Okay, click on held document. Okay, I'm using the same transaction code guys, F-02 to post held document. On top you can see held document option. Now click on it and just give your temporary number. My temporary number I had given 12SS01 and just click enter. You can see here a document and go to document and click on stimulate and then please post it. You can see here document 103 was posted in company code. Okay, now we'll park a document by using, there are two T codes guys. Okay, first we'll go by using F-02 or F-50, then we'll go with another one. Okay, now I'll enter F-02 and I will select document date. Post line item in the posting key 40 means debit. I'll select Wages account, same account, and click enter. In the amount field, I'm entering 1050. Okay, so wages paid, same. 40 means debit, 50 means credit for the ZL. And account, I'm selecting bank account, wages account data to bank for payment. Okay, now just click enter. In the amount field, you guys have to select star. In the text field plus, and you guys have to select the value date for bank, because in the field status group we had in OBC4 we had kept it required option, that is the reason. Now go to more document park. You can see here 1 to SCA in your company code, the document number 104 was parked. Okay, now we'll post this. You can see here, in order to post a parked document, we use the T code FBVO. We use the T code FBVO. We didn't mention here, but it was taken automatically. My fiscal year I'm entering 2022. Okay, the entry what we parked it mean wages account data to bank account. Okay, now I'm clicking on post document. You can see here, if it was error, yellow symbol, it is just a warning, but you can save it. If it was red, you can't post a document. If it was green, then it is no problem. Okay, it was posted. You can see here, document 104 was posted in company code 12 assay. Okay, we'll check all these documents in a base 03 right now. Go to transaction code a base 03. Okay, I'm making it blank and I'm entering fiscal year 2022 and I'm clicking on document list. Okay, I'm entering company code and fiscal year 2022. All the respected data will go automatically to the our leading ledger. Okay, that is required. It was taken automatically. Okay, I'll enter. Ledger or okay, either who has to mention. S10 and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, you can find here document number. Okay, 10 lakh 1, and the document was wages account data to SBI bank account. Okay, now we'll check the number of documents. So I has to mention here company code same onto assay and the document number fiscal year 2022 Click execute. You can see here 4 documents to under a single company code. Okay, document number 10 lakh 1, 10 lakh 2, 10 lakh 3, 10 lakh 4, and it was essay document, means it is related to general ledger. Okay, and the date, today's date. Okay guys, now I'll go to transaction code F-65. Okay, earlier we had taken the transaction code F-02 and we parked the document, but by using F-65, okay, you can park a document automatically. So I'm now selecting document date, posting key, wages account, amount 1800, 18,000, text, posting key 50, account, bank account, wages account data to bank account. That is the reason I am selecting bank account now. 50 means credit, that is the okay. The amount column, please enter store. In the text column, plus, and please select value date. Okay, now go to more document. You can't find here stimulate. Okay, now I'll save it. You can see here document number 10 lakh 5 was parked in company code 12SA. Now I'll post it by using transaction code FBV0. Okay, you can see here 1 lakh 5. Okay, the document what we parked right now, it was came automatically fiscal year 2022, and click enter. You can see here wages account data to SBI bank account 18,000. It was, we'll post this document and we'll check it. Okay, 1 lakh 10 lakh 5. Now go to transaction code FB03. You can check it. Okay, this is the entry. Wages account data to bank account. Debit, you can't find anything here. For credit, you can find a minus symbol. Okay, now in order to see the line item, in order to check a line item, we have the T code FBL1N. FBL1N. Sorry, FBL3N guys, for GL. I'm sorry. Slash on FBL3N. Okay, don't mention any ZL accounts now, and just give your company code. Just mention all items. We'll check all the accounts. Okay. Now click on execute. You can find here documents. Okay, different with a different amount. What we posted till. Okay, first document we are tested, then we paid wages, then we transferred some amount to reserves, then we paid wages, again we paid wages, and all those things. Okay, all the data we can find here. Now come back. Now I just want to check the cleared items. Okay, what the amount we paid. Then you can choose the option cleared items, then click on execute. Okay, I'll take one ZL account, wages account. Now click on execute. has to come actually. Okay, and now select a clearing date. No item selected. Long text. Okay guys, we'll post one more entry now. I'll check it. I'll go to transaction code F-02 document date account. Okay, wages account at our 2 outstanding wages account and click enter. Amount field same store value date text. Go to more document stimulate and then post it. Document 10 lakh 6 was posted in company code. Now I'll check it. Outstanding balance. Okay, line item in transaction code ABL3N. Now click on execute. Okay guys, if you get this red symbol, it means it was not cleared. It means open item means nothing but outstanding. In SAP, for outstanding we call open item. Now I'll clear it in by using the transaction code F-07. Document type it was SA, so please erase SA. Guys, in the tomorrow session, okay, I'll tell you. Just today's session we done the park document, hold document, and we just done a sample by posting document. Okay, posted a document. Okay, in the tomorrow session we'll check the document by using a base 03, and to check GL outstanding balance we use the T code FS10, and for line item display it was a BL3N. Tomorrow I'll show you these three transaction codes. Okay, no need to worry. Now I'll clear this. I'll select my bank account. I didn't create a house bank. Okay, I'll check it. Good. Topping and say process open item. Actually, the amount is 1 lakh. I just entered 10,000. So we are getting not assigned value 90,000. Okay. I'll make it a 10 lakh. Then I will come back. Okay, I'll enter again a dash 07. Okay. Here we has to select outstanding wages account. It is our open item now. Now click on process open item. You can see here again we entered 10,000. Okay, 1 lakh. Okay, now actually it was here. If we get notice and value 90, means 0, then only you can post it. Now I'll go to partial amount. Partial amount is greater than the net amount. Okay, actual amount we has to pay only 10,000, but I entered the amount value 1 lakh. So if I deduct 10,000 from 1 lakh, it was showing not assigned value 90,000. That is the reason we are getting an error. So I will correct it. Just give me a moment. I'll select again document date. Document type, it was essay document, not a gazette related to vendor. Okay. Now I'll go to the bank and I will select my bank account. SBI bank account it was, and I will enter amount 10,000 and I will select a value date. Then we'll select text field. The open item, I'll select outstanding wages account. Okay. Now I'll post this. Actually, we have to click on process open item, but it was taken automatically. Okay, I'll check this document in FB03 whether it was cleared or not. Okay, 2022. Okay, it was taken 10,000. I will check in transaction code FB L3N line item display. Now I click on all items, click execute. Okay, this is the document. Right now I entered 10,000 now. Document number 10 lakh 7 it was. Okay guys, in the tomorrow session we'll discuss in the tomorrow session again we'll discuss about the park document, hold document, and we'll do recurring entries. Then we'll move to the month end provisions. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. Bye, guys.
Uh, Sir,
Yes,
just
mother.
one question.
Yes, mother.
So for part document and whole document, we do not need any consent from our seniors, correct? No? We can.
No, 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 no. Who has to take consent in case of holder document?
Okay, 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 sir.
Okay, sir. For park document, it was not necessary, and these two document will not give any effect to your P&L account and balance sheet while you are generating statements reports. The reason is it was not throwing. I mean, this balances was not coming into your P&L account. Now. It was just aside. We kept aside.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Any doubts, or anybody? Okay, guys. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Sir, thank you.